What? Mm. Show your happy feet dance. And that's in labor. Mason may be a happy baby. I don't know. We'll see.
Kasi naman Scorpio.
Eh, mabuti nga na lampasan natin yung Scorpio eh.
Sabi ko kay daddy, ayaw ko ng Scorpio eh.
Kanino mo sinabi?
Daddy.
Scorpio daddy mo?
Oo.
I wasn't taking note. I don't take note usually. Usually nagre-register sa akin kung anong sign. Pero yung dates, hindi ko kasi kabisado yung dates eh.